Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, November the 14th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's topics, there's a kind of a potpourri of different things. We're going to be looking at what I've been learning about estate settlement. That's interesting. And we're also going to look at what Walter's been working on, what I've been working on. Going to talk a little bit about my art journal group that I will have met with just before this goes to air. And what are your holiday plans this year for the Americans, Thanksgiving's coming up. We've had it here in Canada. And of course, the biggie, Christmas. Are you going to try to go for normal, or are you still going to take precautions given this unsettling environment that we're living through right now? So we'll talk about all those things and probably a lot of other things as well. So I hope you'll join in on the conversation. So that's Stephen and Walter Live today, November 14th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.